Back to my channel. I know I didn't do the intro, but
So,
I'm doing a
she's
video
doing a video.
of building the dorm. So say hi.
Hi. She's doing a video on hers, and I'm doing a video on mine. So, yeah,
Yeah.
we're both gonna be on mute actually.
No, I'm not gonna be on mute.
Today we are going to be.
Okay. Sorry, y'all. Oh yeah,
be
sorry.
doing a little video on Tokobo. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, that's my best friend. Say hi. I don't think you said hi.
Hi.
Anyways, so we're gonna be building a dorm. So I'm gonna be building a boy dorm and my teens girl.
So we are going to be
so like this.
Oh, I said the intro. Sorry. Okay.
Oh yeah, this is a boy. I'm gonna be using the team. We're gonna be using. The team we're gonna be using. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let's first do over here. The wallpaper.
You might make it.
She
might make it, so I'm gonna be really happy if she makes it. Let's keep scrolling. Oh my god, a Labubu!
Oh yeah, guys, she tried her best to find a Labubu.
Yeah. Labubu! Oh my god. That's the beautiful Labubu ever. It's getting dark, so if he did go to bed.
Oh y'all, I got a bad cough.
I really want that Labubu. Let's go ask mommy for the Labubu. Hold up, guys. Let me just pit lights because I forgot the pit lights.
I feel like that's me in every video. But yeah, guys, we might be talking too.
I always forget the pit lights. We're gonna pit a light here. Okay. Don't mind about that girl right there.
Perfect. Oh,
mommy.
Right here, I'm gonna add this.
Yes, hon. Yes, hon.
I'm gonna change it.
I really want this Labubu. Can you give it? Get it for me? I'm gonna try to see if I have enough money for that. And this little cool food. It's from Polar Express. I don't know how to say it either.
Wait, Polar Express?
Yeah. Polar Express.
It's from Potmart. Potmart.
I know.
Why'd you say Polar Express?
I really want that thing from Polar Express.
It's not from Polar Express, y'all. I don't know. What's she talking about?
Food.
I'm just trying to look.
I really want that.
No, this is I usually use this for when I'm doing videos like this. Like this.
I'll see if I have enough money for both of them. They're very expensive for me. Okay, mommy. Get ready for dinner. Okay.
The vape.
Okay.
I will do a vape video, y'all.
I'm gonna switch my buddies. We have never slept with my last time. Honey, remember it's almost Christmas? Yeah. Should we go to the store tomorrow to get like a little mini tree to put in my room so that all of the presents could be in my room? Yeah, mommy. Okay. Food is actually done, honey. I'm actually not gonna eat food for today. You're not gonna eat food? I'm not.
Okay, y'all, I'm not really gonna talk, so yeah. Just listen to the other voice.
So, I'm gonna like. Oh wait.
Of course, I got awesome lights.
Go here. Sit there and.
And of course, some plants. You know me.
Chicken nuggets. They're really fast. Okay. Really fast is really fast. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the box. Okay. I might just give me a sweet treat if I'm forgetting stuff, okay guys? I'm gonna get this treat from.
Oh yeah, y'all. I'll show you my progress at the end of the video or something. Or we can do a part 2 soon.
Yummy thing. Okay. Here's your little food, and here's your little sweet. Oh, yummy sweet. Oh my god, guys.
This is where the kitchen is.
Not really. Okay. Yummy sweet. Thank you, mommy. Welcome. Yummy and yummy coffee. Delicious. Yummy. Take out your pacifier, hon. Okay. Yummy. Oh, just yummy. I really love that. Oh, sweet snack. Can I take a little mashed potato? Yep. Go ahead. Yay. Night night. Night night.
We're gonna build the food.
Night night. Night night. Now let me just close that. Okay. Let me see if I have enough money for that little thing, because she really wants that. Oh my god, I have enough! This is gonna be very exciting. Let me get her iPad. Let me get my phone. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? I think it's in here. Let me see. Nope, not in here. I actually do need to do something actually in here though. Really quick. I just gotta like put that down. Okay. Let me just put my keys there. The keys there.
I haven't done a video in so long, y'all.
Okay. Let me just do it. Okay, it's gonna come tomorrow. You're gonna be very excited. Hey, buddy. I forgot to get you some food. Let me get you some food.
Yeah, that's all good.
You really love carrots. I don't know why you love carrots.
What
love
the?
Carrots and dog food. Yeah.
That was weird. Wow.
So you can just play with your little toy for now. You know what? I'm actually gonna go out. I'm actually gonna have a little babysitter for him for now. So quick. Like, I got my keys with me.
Hey, I don't know what to ask for the boys room, but
Why is everyone naked, bro?
everybody's naked.
Okay. I'm gonna call babysitter. Hey babysitter, can you like just watch my daughter? Yep, I just can. It's gonna say something. Coffee. Let's go out. Let's go
It's gonna
out.
be like a laundry. Jesus Christ.
Okay, so let me just go out and get to the car. Wait, do I have the car
I'm
thing?
like really quiet in my videos. And guys, you
need
might not be able
too.
to hear my fans. Because I don't know why. Like,
hey. Everything. I think the store's closed. Let me see. Oh, there's still some workers here. There's still some workers here. I can say there's still some workers and still some people here and some security guards and like other people like shopping.
you.
I see another people. Shopping. See another person. Can I check you, ma'am? Yes, go ahead.
Wow. Oh.
Jen, don't be Jack. Jay. Yes. Don't be that hard with people about doing that stuff. Alright, I know I'm not. Beep 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 beep. Oh, it's just my car keys. I'm sorry. It's okay, ma'am. Beep beep beep. My earrings again. Beep beep beep. My necklace. Beep beep beep. My zipper. Oh my god. And nothing else? You already, ma'am. Okay. Let me just put my car keys there for now. Ooh, my daughter says she really loves candy. So, you know what? It's fine. I'm just gonna eat. It's gonna be like kind of fun if I don't like. We're gonna put that there. I'm gonna get some of that. We're gonna put there. We're gonna put a little bit of that. There we go. Okay, we need to get some soda. Her juice boxes.
Okay, we are done the girls' room. She loves it.
And this is where I actually work at, I actually work at, and I'm going there actually today. The babysitter will actually probably have to stay there, but I'll have to call her again. So, oh my god, there's so much more people. There's no people up here. Except for one person who's like up here. Who wants the potatoes? Oh my god, what the heck is he doing? Mother, I want to go now. I want the potatoes. No, we don't. No, just leave me and my daughter alone. Yeah, leave me alone.
Leave me.
Because, like, we don't want any problems with you. Alone.
She said, thank you.
Just leave us alone. Just please.
Oh, wait, no.
Pretty please leave us alone.
She said, you got me?
Okay. There's not that much people. You know what? I'm gonna get some cleaning supplies because we really need some cleaning supplies a lot. And I'm gonna be cleaning everywhere. You know, I might just have a little sweet treat. We're totally not gonna tell anyone about that. I need some pasta. I'm gonna cook some pasta tonight probably. You know what? I'm not gonna get that. We'll actually take out this pasta and put that there. Put that in there. And get another card.
I'm not trying to do this one.
Try to find another card.
Two things.
Is there a good card anywhere? Oh! Another big basket. Oh, I really need to take this home. I really want to eat that now. So yummy. It's so yummy. So tasty. So yummy. Tasty, yummy, everything.
Why did I add a pig?
Tasty and yummy. Tasty and yummy. I need to actually take this chicken because that chicken actually tastes so good. And I'm gonna take the spaghetti because the spaghetti tastes so good. Okay. We don't need to take this. I feel like we know. We don't need that. Okay. We're gonna take this to put that in my little thingy and we're some sprout. Some of this. Okay. And my daughter's actually probably gonna have a little sleepover with her friends. So that's gonna be horrific. I don't know when they're coming over. They're coming over like tomorrow, but I don't know what time. That's my problem. Like what time? Like the time. Who wants any of these little yummy sweets? I can get them for you because I'm the tallest. Oh, can you give me those little dinosaurs? Those little crunchy things up there? The crunch. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, I can't reach that. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you. Can you get that? Have a bad back. You know what? You can't. You have no thing. It's time's up. Oh. Put that back. You're just, you're a little bald-headed, so let's put that on. It's my turn. Okay. I will just do this because I'm the tallest too. Okay. We're gonna go downstairs because upstairs is really, really bad, bro. I really don't want to come back. Okay. So much soda. Oh my god. This is not working for me. Hello. Oh my god. Yeah.
No, Frozen.
Oh.
Not Frozen.
Oh. Okay. We're not gonna talk about that. Oh, whatever. Let's just beep it. Okay, put that in the shopping cart. And hun, you could put that shopping cart there. So.
Okay. She's gonna have to. And then with this. It's a little too big for my squeezy.
Ma'am, you probably need to hold some stuff. Oh, yeah, ma'am, you need a big basket, okay? Ma'am, okay, so your total, oh, we still have some stuff. Okay, just hurry up, get it.
I need like a stool, y'all.
It's almost my turn. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, getting to know that was you. Oh, yeah. I'm coming back tomorrow. Are you coming tomorrow? Is it Bring Daughter Day tomorrow? No, it's not. It's the next day. I didn't know that was you, girl. You should have told me. Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't recognize you anyway either, too. Oh, here's your little stuff. Here's your stuff. And yeah. There you go. Your good stuff.
Okay, this is the boys' room. This is the best I can do.
It's not working. Hurry up, old lady. Oh my god, hurry up, old lady. Hey, don't talk to people like that. Where's your mother? Honey, this is over here. Grandmother.
Okay.
Sorry, mother.
Okay.
Sorry,
Bye, y'all. I hope
grandmother.
you have a great day.
Come
And
on.
yeah.
Grandchild.
And yeah, so yeah.
Oh
Ice
my
cream
god.
for
My back hurts for
everyone.
that things. Oh, my daughter must have a good day. Have a good day. And I need to restock my whole fridge. And I need to
Okay, here's
restock
some
this.
beer. We'll do a little
All the way restock. All the way restock.
whatever. It's raining. Ugh, nothing really in my fridge. Just stupid fish. Oh, that's good enough.
Okay. I have so much things in my hand.
Is it
Babysitter,
that
babysitter,
bad
babysitter. Oh,
again?
hi. The daughter
Give
did
me some
not
more beer.
did wake up,
How
but
about
I
that
put
now?
her back. I
Beer?
put her back to
Fine,
sleep.
I'll give you beer.
She chose her
What
second
kind of beer?
little thingy. So that's why it's probably like different. She always switch shits. Keep that down.
She only wants beer.
Okay. I'll do this one first.
Hmm.
Go ahead. Go relax. Go relax. Do you need me tomorrow? Because I heard you needed some help tomorrow when he's coming.
Okay, bye, y'all.
Oh yeah,